A few weeks back, the distributor for Viltrox lenses in Malaysia, Vphoto, reached out to me and said, "Andrew, try out these new mirrorless lenses from Viltrox." And they sent me these lenses. So what's the best way to try all these lenses? Simple, bring it out and about KL City. So Viltrox and Vphoto sent me two series of lenses, one series for portraits, and the other one are the landscape wide angles. So let's try the portrait first. So out of the 6 lenses they sent me, 3 are really suitable for portraits. The full frame 40mm at f2.5 and the 56mm, which is an APS-C at f1.7, and the one I'm really excited to try out is the 75mm at f1.2. And everyone, meet our lovely model for this episode, Shu Keng. And since we're in the heart of KL City, the legendary crossroad of Bukit Bintang, I want to try out how fast the 75mm works with my pretty old Z50. This is not a fast camera. Let's see whether this lens helped me. Ooh, not too bad. Look at the shots. Pretty sharp. But of course, to take shots like this, you need to have skill too, otherwise they're gonna look like this. So I'm quite impressed already. Not my skill, but this lens. While the 75mm can be pretty great to shoot with and blur off the background pretty well, but it can be a little bit too cropped in and zoom in, especially with my crop sensor. Let's try the 40mm now, and let's see how well this does with my usual shooting distance. Hey, let me share with you my secret little venue. This back alley here just behind lot 10. Try it. I love the variety of angles that I can shoot here. And this is just a great place to shoot with the 40mm because I don't have enough of space. And I like this. This lens can blur the background pretty well and still handle the backlight pretty well, working together with the camera. Look at the face. It's not dark at all, despite the background really bright. And viewers, I seriously love the Viltrox 40mm because it's so light and so easy to use on my mirrorless camera. I get carried away and look at the pictures that I get in just half an hour span of shooting. Okay, enough of this. We have more Viltrox to try out. Well, the shots are great outdoor in the bright sunlight. I think I have a better idea how to test this lens further. Let's bring it to my friend at this very dark, exclusive guitar showroom. And viewers, let me introduce to you Gibson Guitar. If you love guitar, you're gonna find this place amazing. And Viltrox meet Gibson. This is Pedro, my friend at Gibson Guitar, and this place is beautifully dark and exclusive. Let's see how well this lens performs here, with Pedro teaching Shu Keng how to play these legendary Gibsons. And every video clip that you see here is shot completely with the Viltrox lenses on either Z50 or Z6 Nikon. Well, Pedro and Gibson, thank you so much. We've got to go because we have more places to bring these lenses to. And now I've got to try out all these lenses and see how well they perform and render color in dark locations with warm tungsten light. And these are shot in the bookstore up in Star Hill and also the amazing handmade coffee store. Enjoy the pictures. So overall, I really love them because I like how the pictures turn out without me adding any light or flashes or reflector. They are just so easy to use, wide open on the aperture. And before I forget, there's something interesting I'd like to share with you. If you're based in Malaysia, you wouldn't want to miss this because Viltrox and Vphoto have come together to organize a Discover Viltrox Portrait and Landscape Workshop. This is going to be conducted on the 13th of July on a Saturday, 2 p.m, 6 p.m. in Kota Damansara. So if you're using a Sony, Nikon or Fuji, you don't want to miss this because there are a lot of Viltrox lens brought to you by Vphoto for you to test out and try the whole workshop. And I'll be a happy trainer to guide you how to use them correctly in portrait and landscape shoots. So see you. Click on this link and register now because the seats are filling up really fast.
快了，你等什么？过去！要做模特，你要怕死，过去吗？扯不了吗？